Most insurance agencies are stuck in survival mode. Every December feels like panic. Every January feels like they're starting at zero. What if I told you there was a 90-day system that could take your agency from unpredictable chaos into systematic growth? In this video, I'm going to show you the breakdown of the exact 90-day build that agency owners are using to scale. I'll show you the specific producer targets, the calendar math, and the dashboard system that you can implement starting today. Now, here's the truth, because I got to keep it a buck. Most agencies are trapped in survival mode and they don't even realize it. They're spending $20,000 to $50,000 every single month on lead packs, and 90% of those people don't ever answer the phone. And when those people do answer, 40% of those people, they don't show up. This means that agents are burning out dialing junk lead. They're putting in hours, but it feels like they're working in a call center instead of building a business. Managers are spending days babysitting spreadsheets, double checking numbers, and trying to plug leaks instead of actually leading their team. Meanwhile, agency owners are also duct taping 8 to 10 tools together just to survive every single month. Overrides are unpredictable. December turns into a mad dash to make ends meet, and every single month it feels like you're starting over in January. This lead pack dependency cycle, it keeps agencies in a steady loop where all their energy goes to reacting and not building. And the disconnected systems, man, that's just complete chaos, and it's not growth. The result is simple. Agencies end up with a reactive business instead of a strategic one. They spend their time patching problems instead of scaling their business. But the smart agency, they've already stopped playing this game. They've cut the lead packs completely, and they've built an AI-driven system that runs while they sleep. And while other agencies are spending thousands of dollars every single month on recycled leads, these owners are filling their pipeline automatic. Now, here's the framework that fixes all of this in exactly 90 days. Now, the fastest way for you to transform your agency through what I call a 90-day build, this is a step-by-step roadmap that installs the AI infrastructure and creates predictable growth. Now, here's how this works. Day 1 through 30, we benchmark your current appointment flow, your show rates, and more importantly, your ROI. Then in weeks 3 and 4, we deploy the AI Command Center. This is one clean dashboard that replaces all disconnected tools that you've been trying to juggle. Every system now flows into one place, no duct tape required. Days 31 through 60, we build and install the AI system, and in weeks 5 and 6, we integrate AI that nurtures, qualifies, and books qualified appointments automatic. This means your team stops chasing cold leads, and instead AI identifies prospects based on their primary goal: retirement planning, family protection, wealth transfer, whatever the real needs are. In weeks 7 through 8, we add systems that revive old leads and automate follow-up. During this phase, we also train your producers and your managers on how to run this new system. Day 61 through 90 is where we optimize and train. In weeks 9 and 10, we add AI reminders and rebooking features for no-shows. Most agencies lose 40% of their appointments to no-shows, and they have no idea how to recover them. Our system automatically rescues those appointments and gets them rescheduled without your team doing a thing. In weeks 11 through 12, we optimize campaigns for higher show rates and conversion. We conduct weekly reviews to track your data, fix your bottlenecks, and increase your throughput. By the end of this phase, producers are consistently booking 15 to 20 qualified appointments every single week. Now, this sequence is powerful because each step builds on the foundation of the previous one. Agencies that try to skip these steps, man, they always end up falling in the gaps. And the ones who follow this framework can see the compound results because the system is constructed like a building. You don't start with the roof, you lay the foundation first. Now, let's get into the math, because this is where agencies really understand how growth becomes predictable. We systematically book you 15 to 20 appointments per producer per week with qualified prospect. And here's why math works. AI qualification changes everything. When a producer is talking to a cold lead from a lead pack, the odds of conversions are slim. They're starting from scratch with someone who doesn't even want to talk to them. But when a producer is talking to an AI qualified prospect, the person who's already shown interest, consumed content, and self-identified themselves with their goals. This means the higher show rates, higher engagement, and much more higher close ratio. Scale this across an entire agency and the numbers get dramatic. 10 producers, each running 15 to 20 qualified appointments per week, creates an agency pipeline that puts you on track for $5 million a month and beyond. Now, instead of managing 8 to 10 disconnected tools, everything now runs through the AI command center. And this dashboard integrates with lead generation, qualification, appointment setting, no-show recovery, and lead revival into one seamless interface. And the results? Agents become 2 or 3 times more productive without adding a headcount. Managers finally get to lead strategically instead of chasing down numbers across multiple spreadsheets. The metrics inside the dashboard predict agency performance weeks in advance. You can see where every bottleneck is before they even happen. And when your team sleeps, the system is working on following up with no-shows, nurturing unbooked prospects, and reviving old leads. This means your calendar fills up automatically with qualified prospects without anyone on your team making hundreds of calls every single day. So here's what results look like after 90 days. When agencies complete this build out properly, the transformation is dramatic. You see, we've helped agents scale from $10,000 a month to $100,000 a month on their own pen. We've helped agencies grow from $250,000 to $5 million a month in total volume. And every single month, we help 10 to 20 life insurance agents hit 6 and 7 figures using this exact system. The difference is simple. Agencies stuck in survival mode are chained to lead vendors and duct taped to system. Agencies that complete the 90-day build move into scale mode, where overrides become predictable and growth compounds month after month after month. And when you have producer targets, calendar math, and one dashboard running everything, growth stops becoming a gamble and it becomes predictable. I've seen agencies completely transform using this 90-day build. The difference between stuck at 500K and scaling past 5 million a month is having a system that works whether you're there or not. And if you want to see exactly how we can implement this 90-day AI system and build it for your agency, click the first link in the description, and that link will walk you through the done-for-you installation process so you can skip the guesswork and start building systematically. Now, remember, believe in yourself because you can do anything. I'll see you in the next video.